So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my rock collection from 2nd grade. Yes, this is from last year. I might have to pour them. Wait, let's teleport. Yay! It's going to be very careful. But can you hold for a sec?
What's your name? Amber, pangalan.
Kuya Amber Amlawigan.
Palayaw.
Toto.
Edad.
6.
Tagalog ng 6.
I forgot.
Mag-count mo nga.
6.
6. Ang pamilya ni Amber ay may
Tatay, nanay, tita, lola, lolo,
ate, kuya.
ate, kuya, ate tayo,
Ang pangalan ng iyong
my
magulang.
coolest rock and my favorite.
Ano pangalan ng magulang mo?
This was initially
Ang pangalan ng magulang mo?
supposed to be
Parent.
pink. Aizana Wigan Vincent Dancing Lawigan.
G. Lawigan.
This is a pink rock I have, but I washed it. So
Ano ang kasarian mo?
this is another pink rock.
Gender.
Gender girl.
Carabao.
Babae, Tagalog. Ano ang lahi mo?
I think this is a pink rock. I don't know.
Albino Carabao. I think Carabao.
Filipino.
Filipino.
This one that's like a flower.
Wala ka na
This
tama
looks-
answer. 6/10.
That kind of. This looks like a tile. Yeah. This looks like a piece of gold. I don't know. What's this called? This actually is my most coolest shaped like a rock apple.
Ano ang iyong hilig?
This is a triangle.
Amber, anong hilig mo?
Yeah. Really?
Oo. What is your likes? Hobbies. Hilig.
This is a green and
Light.
half gray rock. I think I have more of these, but I'm not gonna show you. Okay. This
10K likes.
Ano yan?
Ano ang kanyang hilig? Hilig are likes. Ano sagot? 10K likes!
And this is
Very good yung baby. Dapat na video.
my
Ang
white
hilig ni
rock.
Amber ay kumain at mag-tablet.
This is a half rock.
Mahilig bang kumanta si Amber? Mahilig ba sumayaw si Amber?
This is my white rock that has a little dark
Pretty
here,
little
but it's
baby.
just initially there.
Anong 10K likes?
This is this
Napakagaling.
one is half for white and yeah,
Ano relihiyon mo?
religion.
Ano relihiyon mo? Religion. Ano religion mo? Catholic.
Catholic. This is a white and gray that has like a germ on the little, I don't know. This is a smooth rock. It's over. I don't know. I just picked it if it's smooth. So I might have to do a part 2 because
Maging
I have
mabait.
school tomorrow. But I'm just gonna show you most of them.
Lahat ng goods yun yung answer ha, Amber.
And this is also like a tile,
Pag GMRC.
enhancing the
Pag
image.
GMRC, lahat ng goods yun yung answer.
Enhancing the
That's the
image.
technique.
Wait, what did I say? Enhancing the image. Enhancing the image.
Sorry, nag-like na ba ako
Oh my god, this is Oh my God, it's a lightning strike!
Ano ang katinig, Amber?
Sorry.
Amber, ano ang katinig?
Katinig is the letters that's not in the A, E, I, O, U.
Very good. What is a patinig?
Katinig is A, E, I, O, U.
Alam mo na yung start ng mga name nila. Pag sinabi kong bahay, is that a katinig or patinig?
Katinig.
How about
This
aso?
is like a gold rock
TV.
enhancing image. Wow, it's pretty detailed.
Paa. Isda.
Okay.
Very good. Alam mo na yung
I guess that's me confused. What's the other one? Oh, there's a lightning one. This has like a
Oh,
lightning print
alam mo
on
na
it.
yung-
This one looks like myself.
Ano to?
This one kinda
There's
has
ilan-
like a
ilan
lightning
vowel?
print. See?
Kuwaderno, apat.
That's pretty
Okay,
cool,
very
right?
good. Sulat ang tunog. Very good din ito. Ano to? Bulaklak. Dahon.
Wait, I'm gonna show you a
Mansanas.
pretty
Bahay.
cool
Watak.
one.
Okay, very good.
This is
Letrang
a
M.
pretty cool one.
Letrang M.
Look.
Ay, bakit? Ano na ang
Do you like this?
Sinturon. Merienda. Silangan.
I like it to my skin.
Bawal maingay. Ano to?
Look.
Bawal. Ay,
I
pag
think
sa
I showed you, but I
environment.
don't know.
Sa surroundings, bawal pumitas ng bulaklak. Tamang
I already
tawiran.
showed you this, right?
Bawal umihi.
This is my very second rock.
Bawal
This is my
tumambay
very
dito. Bawal
second rock
magkalat ng
ever.
speaking.
This
Bawal
is my
magpatay.
second rock ever.
Magpatay. Bawal to- ng aso.
That's my first rock, I'll
Okay
show
na yan. Alam
you.
mo na yan? Nagamit mo na ba itong towel mo dito? Hindi pa.
This is a mountain rock, but that's not the first. It has red here. This one looks like a mushroom, by the way, guys. Oh my God, you're not the main character.
Let's see yung mat mo.
You only talk when I ask you to talk. This is my first rock. This is one missing. It's empty somewhere.
I swear it wasn't hard for them. I swear it's hard for your views, but what is one?
This is my second rock.
Kung
I mean, first
alam mo na
rock.
din to. What's the shape of the mountain?
Tita for melting. I'm crying.
A television.
Tita Bison. Your finger.
How
Oh,
about
here. This is my first cool rock.
Electric
This
fan.
is a tooth rock. So that's going to be it for today. So bye, and make sure to like and
Handkerchief.
subscribe.
What's a handkerchief?
Find you.
One bonus tip.
Very good.
One bonus.
A
This is
circle
a
eye,
very long
no
and
sides.
triangle one.
No corners.
Bye,
No
besties.
circle, no sides, no